She left. Your chest feels heavy. Your mind replays memories. The silence is deafening. Every place, every song reminds you of her. You want to reach out, but you know it's over. You feel broken, rejected. You question your worth, your future. It feels like the end, but it's not. This is the beginning of your comeback. This pain, it's not poison, it's fuel. Fire doesn't destroy strong men, it forges them. Today, I'll show you how to rebuild after heartbreak. We're not here to numb the pain, we're here to use it. Turn rock bottom into your foundation. Take a deep breath. It's time to go to war with the weakness inside you. Subscribe to AREV. This is mental armor. She chose to leave. That's a fact. No amount of begging or anger will change it. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Her choices are beyond your control. Your response is your kingdom." A Stoic man doesn't chase what's gone. He accepts reality, breathes, and redirects his energy inward. Acceptance isn't weakness, it's power. Take back the keys to your mind. That's where your strength begins. If you had a wound, you'd protect it. But you keep reopening your heart by looking at old photos, messages, and memories. Seneca warned, to continue remembering is to continue suffering. Be ruthless, mute her, unfollow, delete reminders. Not out of hate, but respect for your recovery. Build a sterile environment for your mind to heal. Contain the pain so it can scar over. Only what is contained can heal. Pain is powerful fuel. Most men waste it, numbing, complaining, plotting revenge. The Stoics turned pain into action. When you want to stay in bed, get up. That's discipline. Run, lift, journal, work, channel the chaos. Epictetus said, "Difficulty shows what men are. One path weakens you, the other forges you. The choice is yours." What story are you telling yourself? "She ruined my life" is the victim's narrative. A cage. Burn that story. No one can ruin you unless you let them. Every moment was a lesson. Don't ask, "Why me?" Ask, "What is this here to teach me?" Drop the victim story and reclaim authority. Take ownership of your pain and your future. That's the foundation of true confidence. Heartbreak lives in your body too. Left unchecked, it becomes depression and anxiety. Express it physically. Lift, run, sweat. Not for revenge, but to reclaim yourself. Every drop of sweat is a tear you didn't cry. A strong body makes a resilient mind. Build a body that's a fortress for your mind. The silence feels cruel, but solitude is the solution. It's where boys die and men are born. Marcus Aurelius wrote his wisdom alone. This is your tent on the frontier, your chance to do deep work. Read, think, plan, design your next self. When you thrive alone, you become unstoppable. Your happiness is no longer dependent on anyone else. You become your own source of power. Let go of the fantasy of getting her back. The real mission is to get yourself back. Stronger, better. Become the man your past self needed. Discipline, focus, integrity. Build these. Don't do it for her. Do it for your future self. The best revenge is excellence. Build a life so strong her departure is just a footnote. Become the man who was always inside you. Time will pass. The pain will fade. One day, you'll realize the ache is gone. The breakup will be a mountain you climbed. you'll look back with gratitude for the struggle. She didn't break you. She introduced you to your true self. The fire forged you. If you're rebuilding, subscribe to AREV. Your comeback has already begun.